Now let's run the same script on locally on our Windows machine, for which I have opened the VS Code on a folder Terraform script. Here I would like to create one directory, one folder. I would like to give the name as 01 application. Any name you want you can give. And within this folder, I would like to create a new file. Okay. The file I would like to give it as maybe 01 Terraform EC2 script. Okay. EC2.tf. It should be .tf. I would like to say .tf. Okay. Let me just give it as .tf. Fine. Now one script is created. We have a file .tf file, and here's where the same which we had run, right, the same commands I would like to keep it. All right. Just I'll make small changes so that you can understand. I would like to say here alien in place of telescope. I would like to give it as alien, so that you can understand that whatever resources is getting created, it is happening with the help of local also. I would like to copy from here, and it is the same script which we have seen earlier on the Linux machine when we tried to execute the same. Let me just add this, and it is added. Okay. I would like to now save this. Everything is saved, and we had already set the environmental variables, access key and the security key. In the videos in the same series, you'll find the video wherein how to set the what is the need and how to set the access key and the security key. We have done that. Okay, I need not to specify the access key and security key in my Terraform script because that is already been set in the environment variables. Okay, it is now saved. After which I would like to just go here. I would like to open a new terminal. You can see the terminal will be opened, and you can see here it is right now in this folder. I want to get into this folder, so I would like to say here cd. I would like to say 01 application. Okay, right now it is in the 01 application. I would like to just go back. You can see now, as you all know, we have seen this Terraform init is the first command which we have to run, and it is installing all the required the plugins as per the provider information. And you can see .terraform, a file is created here, and it will not take much time, and it's successfully installed. A log file is created, and after which you just have to go and run here Terraform. I would like to go with maybe format just to check if everything is fine. Yes, and now Terraform, I would like to just go with the validate command. Just to validate, these are optional steps, but it is recommended so that your syntax is fine. There is no problem in it. Okay, it is validating, it is successful. Now I would like to go with the Terraform plan. You can directly apply, but plan is recommended. Execution plan, like if you execute this particular script, what will be the case, right? So I would like to just wait for it. It is planning. Okay, there is a fail in the plan. Terraform encoded an error while generating this plan, retrieving the AWS account details, validating the provider credentials. There is some problem with respect to the IDs, the access key ID. There is a problem here. No problem. If there is a problem, that means environmental variables that has not set properly. That's the meaning of it. Locally, when we had tried to set the environmental variables for the access key ID and the secret key, maybe there is some problem there. I might have not added the proper keys. That should not be a major matter of concern. You can do that. In that case, I could just add that locally on my, in the script itself. So let me just do that here. As you can see, I have added that here. I would like to just save it. And now again, I would like to reprocess. I would like to say here Terraform init. It is initializing. Formatting, I think it's fine. If you want, you can do this formatting also. Okay. It will reinitialize everything. And now I would like to say Terraform format. And then it is Terraform validate. I would like to validate this. And now finally, I just have to run the command Terraform plan. If validation is fine, let me just check if the syntax is correct. It is successful. I would like to say Terraform plan. Okay. Now let's see if it is creating any problem here. Terraform plan, it is planning. Okay. Since now I have given the access key, it should not create any problem. Maybe in the environmental variables locally, there is some issues. Apart from that, I would like to say here Terraform. I would like to say here apply. Okay. I would like to apply this. Since we have not specified the auto approve at the time of using the Terraform apply command, we just have to say here yes, it will ask the permission. Okay. Now it is creating the machine. It will take some time. Within less than a minute almost, the resource can be created, right? Now, using the concept of variables, we can see how these things can be stored separately. We have to achieve modularity also, about which we will talk. And this is one of the way. This is, we are just creating the AWS instance, AC2 machine. You can create something else also, some other resources also, which we will explore as we proceed further. Okay. It is still creating it. It has taken more than 30 seconds of time. Okay, now you can see it is completed. It is able to create. The moment it is able to create, one state file gets generated, right? State file is very, very important file. Okay, so that gets generated the moment you create this. More on the state file we will discuss going forward in this particular series. Let me go back to my AWS account. I would like to just refresh this. Okay, you can see, guys, a Linux Terraform, an alien Terraform Linux machine, a new machine got created. A new resource we could able to create. We could able to provision a resource on the AWS cloud using the Terraform script. Now, two things we have seen. We got connected to the Linux virtual machine. Using that machine, we could able to run our Terraform scripts locally also on the Windows machine on our VS Code ID. We could able to do that. Now, based on your preference, your choice going forward, whichever way you want, you can follow that, and you can keep practicing whatever we are discussing in this series. Now we could able to successfully run our first Terraform script. We shall see more going forward.